Hello guys, welcome to Python programming for data science. This is a 5-day program. In these 5 days, we are going to cover all the essential topics that are required for a data scientist. Day 1 is on basics of Python. Day 2 is on data manipulations. On day 3 we'll discuss summaries and creating reports in Python. On day 4 we'll discuss data cleaning techniques. On day 5 we will discuss functions and automations in Python. The target audience for this course are data science students, machine learning students or deep learning students, professionals who are working on data science, or anybody who's a Python or a data science enthusiast. In this program, you will learn how to code in Python, how to handle data in Python, reporting and data visualizations in Python, writing custom functions in Python, data cleaning steps in Python. Basically, you will learn all the important steps that are required to get started with machine learning projects. This is a 100% hands-on training. There are ample examples and case studies in this program. This course is for beginners. You need not have any advanced programming knowledge or background to complete this course. You need not require to work on an advanced computer to practice the examples in this course. The hardware requirements are 4 GB RAM, 8 GB is recommended, and 10 GB of hard disk space. We will show you how to install and set the Python environment.